Before we begin, first thing I want to tell you about is why is App Store optimization important? Well, there are around 2 million apps in the App Store right now. If you submit an app today, it should compete with those 2 million apps to make its way to the potential user. That sounds tough, right? You might be thinking about marketing your app through advertising. Of course, marketing your app always seems like an attractive option, but this requires a considerable amount of money and time to get the minimum number of downloads. Don't you believe me? Let's do some math. If you want to market your app, the minimum CPA in US is around $3.30. Now imagine that you want to get 1 million downloads this way. You know how much it costs? More than $3 million. That's about 6 zeros at the end. If you truly have so much money to spend on a single app, probably this course is not for you. So, what is the solution to this? Definitely ASO. ASO is a better option than marketing for more than one reason. Because it is free and very easy to do once you learn how to do. It is very effective and you will get fast and early results compared with the advertising. And finally, lot of fun. See this chart. Around 63% of all app installs come directly from App Store searches. Which means that if you do the search optimization correctly, there is a high chance that you can get a lot of downloads. In this course, I will walk you through everything you need to know about App Store optimization. So follow me to get a solid understanding on this. In the next lecture, I will teach you about some of the main components in App Store optimization. See you there!